We are DQN, a Belgian manufacturer of tire changing equipment. Our tire assembly line simulator is a free tool you can find on our website www.dqn.be, also linked in the description. You can totally customize and configure your tire assembly chain, which can consist of the ergo lift, ergo roll, a long brake, the wheels go on the rolls and they stop at the brake. Then you can add an ergo press, another ergo roll. You can add an extension using the one-legged ergo roll, a short brake which is on the roll itself, one of our tire machines like the OptiFit or the ProFit. Let's add the OptiFit is our flagship model. Add an ergo cage at the end of the line to inflate the tires. Add a small ergo roll and a long brake, and then you have a complete line, and you can make it as long or as short as you prefer. You get the total length of this line. You can also go back and add or delete a few things. Let's go back. Let's maybe add this one so it becomes a longer one. This is a full line. This is about 10 meters wide, and you can ask for a quote. If you click the ask quote, then you have all the stuff that's in there and the quantities. You can enter your name, company name, address. You can also add a message. And if you ask for a quote, we will come back to you with an offer. We have a few pre-configured tire assembly lines. Our smallest tire assembly chain consists of the ergo lift, the ergonomic bead braking table, ergo press, the ProFit tire machine. At an extra cost, the ProFit can be switched by the OptiFit. This line is about 3 meters 13 centimeters long. We also have a medium tire assembly line which consists of the ergo lift, the ergo roll with detector, the long brake. We have an ergo press, the ProFit, which can be switched with the OptiFit for an added cost. This has a total length of 465 centimeters long, about 4 meters and a half long. Then we have the large tire assembly line which consists of the ergo lift, the ergo roll with detector, the long brake, an ergo press, another ergo roll with the long brake, then the ProFit tire machine, which of course for a little extra can be changed with the OptiFit. This is about 6 meters in total length. And then for our extra large chain we have the ergo lift, the ergo roll with detector, we have the long brake, the ergo press, we have another ergo roll with a long brake, our ProFit, which can be changed for an extra cost with the OptiFit, and we end with the ergo cage, that's an inflation cage, and then an ergo roll extension table. That is about 8 meters and a half in total length. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using our simulator. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.